Alright guys, time to do a quick beer tasting. You'll just see me pin DudesBrews on my map, and for anybody that don't know what I'm on about, it's this fella up here, which I think most of you will know him and subscribe to him. He did my flag, signed it a week and a half back or something, sent it back to me, and he sent me a couple of beers. One of them that I'm going to have now is Bolt's Bitter, so we'll get it in a glass. And I think he did mention that it might need a bit of an aggressive pour because it's a bit light on carbonation, so we'll see. Yeah, you were right. Very light. Oh, stop there before we get any in. Bolt's Bitter, 4.8%, 38 IBUs, and it's got pale malt, amber malt, Cara Munich, chocolate malt, torrefied wheat. Hops with WGV, not sure what that one is. Why don't that ring a bell? I don't know. And Aurora and yeast, CML real ale yeast. So, thanks very much, Richard. So there we have it. There's a little bit of a head. And I'm not sure whether I might have just got a tiny little bit of crud in bottom. That's made it a little bit hazy. Got it in as nice Spitfire glass tonight. So we'll see how she smells. Well, actually there's not too much on aroma. There's a slight fruit, but it's only faint. Right, I'm going to dive in. Straight away, it is very light on carbonation. There is some carbonation in there, but not a lot. It's just managing to hold that cap. But even though it's light on carbonation, it's still very drinkable. In fact, it's quite nice. 4.8%. Now, 38 IBUs. That's going on, for me, that's starting to go a bit low. There's not much bitterness in this at all. And what there is quite well rounded with hop profile that you've got. But I like it. It's not a bad beer. There's some slight biscuit aroma flavours in there. Not getting much toffee notes. There's a sweetness. I like it. Maybe just a little bit more carbonation. Maybe an older cap then, hold the head a bit better. But there's no wrong with that. I don't know whether you might be able to see. No, you can't really see, can you? But yeah, Richard at DudesBrews, now on my map, and if anybody else wants to go on my map, send me a beer, I'll pin you on and I'll send you a beer back. Quite simple. So, once again, thanks Richard for sending me a beer. I've got some to send you probably middle of next week. If this goes out before then, it'll be middle of next week. So, I'll catch you later. Cheers. Right fellas, just pop back. Just a quick afterthought with this beer. As I've been drinking it, and I've been messing over there with some bits. It's been out now, it's been in glass 20 minutes maybe, 25 possibly, and it's warmed up a little bit. And as it's warmed up, I don't think I give it enough credit really. I said there were no toffee notes or anything like that, but as it's warmed up, there is. There's definitely, I could taste sweetness in it before, but there's definitely now a toffee flavour to it, more so than biscuit now. It's overtook that, and that biscuit is really in background, and that's all it was. As it's warmed up, more flavours have come through, and I do think this beer is better drunk slightly warmer. If you're going to have a few, if you've got this beer bottled and you're going to have a few, I'd take 3 or 4 bottles out of your fridge, or if you keep them somewhere cold, put them somewhere a bit warmer, and I'd leave them half an hour, 45 minutes. Let them come up, not quite to room temperature, but near enough, and a lot better beer warming up. That's all it was, fellas. Cheers.